Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Ever since I posted my cheesecake recipe, many of you asked for the eggless version. So here it is, a rich, creamy, super smooth, eggless mini cheesecake recipe which is refined sugar free. It has some yogurt, cashew, coconut milk which gives that ultimate creaminess to it. And its crust which is gluten free made with oats and almonds. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So for the filling, we'll start with making hung curd first. We'll place a cheesecloth over a large bowl, add in 500 gram of curd or yogurt, tie this cloth and hang it in the fridge along with the bowl so that the dripping water can collect in it. Next day, when all the water is drained out, you will get this thick and creamy hung curd. Keep this aside and let's grind some oats to make oat flour for the crust. We'll grind them into a fine powder. The oat flour is ready. Now similarly, we'll grind some almonds for the crust. So this almond powder is ready as well. We'll transfer this in a medium-sized bowl. We'll also add in the oat flour that we had prepared earlier. Some coconut oil. And 2 tablespoons honey. Now we'll give it a good mix until everything is well combined. So here I have lined my muffin pan with cupcake liners, and now we'll fill each cup equally with the crust mixture. And using a small spoon or a pestle, what I am using, flatten it out and press it down evenly. Now we'll keep this muffin pan in the fridge to chill until we prepare the filling. So in a blender, we'll add half cup of cashews and give them a good blend. Into this ground cashew, we'll add 1.5 tablespoon corn flour, 1/3 cup coconut milk, 1/3 cup jaggery powder and half teaspoon vanilla extract. Give it a good blend until it turns smooth and creamy. So this cashew cream is ready, and now we'll add this cream into the hung curd. Give it a good mix until everything is well combined. But make sure not to overmix. So our filling is ready, and at this stage we'll preheat the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 10 to 15 minutes. Now we'll take our muffin pan and fill each crust with the filling equally. And it's time to bake them. But before that, we'll place the muffin pan in another larger and deeper baking pan and fill it with hot water about an inch. The water bath is necessary as it helps maintaining a smooth and creamy texture of the cheesecake. Now we'll bake them at 160 degrees Celsius for around 35 to 40 minutes. So the cheesecakes are perfectly baked. Now we'll let them cool completely. And once cooled, we'll keep them in the fridge to chill for at least 4 to 5 hours or overnight. These cheesecakes look perfect. Now using a knife, just loosen it up and remove the liner. And now all you need to do is garnish your cheesecake. So I'm using some cherries here, but you can use any fruit of your choice. I really love such healthy homemade treats like this cheesecake, which is so light and creamy, and the oat almond crust complements its melt-in-mouth texture perfectly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you're looking for a healthy eggless cheesecake recipe, do give this a try and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.